freaking, what? And some stickers. Oh, I got two. Let's go! Got the air intake. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another TCV vlog. What the fuck? Today, I already showed you, probably the beginning, we're gonna install a cold air intake. I got the setup right there. We're about to take this big old box right here. Yeah, let's get to it. I'll show you guys the materials and the tools that you need. And yeah, let's get to it. I got my piece of paper so I can put the little sensor. It's right there. I'm gonna place that over here. You're gonna need a 10mm to take off the little scoops and all that. I'm gonna take this off right here. This is the first thing I'm gonna take off right here. I'm gonna take this off just to work a little bit more comfortable, and then I'll get this over here done. Oh, these are actually clips. So for these, I'm gonna show you a quick trick real quick how to take them off. Alright, so for these, what you get is you get a flathead, stick it in there, and twist it. It's gonna come out just a little. You can see that it went up a little. And what you do is you put your screwdriver in there and you just twist it a little bit. It'll come out. It'll come out perfectly. You just get the bottom one. Actually, it'll just come out. It's nice and then you just grab it with your hand, pull it out, and just like that, it has came off. Watch out with these rubber seals that are right there. Don't lose those. Oh, they're hooked onto the plastic. Never mind. You don't have to worry about them. Place them somewhere safe. Alright, we take off the plastic. I don't think it's hooked onto anything. Nope. Just pull backwards and then it'll pop out. I think the second step that you should do is take off that sensor right there. Take that off. It'll work a little bit more comfortable. You won't have to worry about it. And get your star screwdriver and then take off these two screws that are here. Pretty easy so far. Take off these two right here, this one and that one. Take it. Pretty sure you twist it to this. No, you're not supposed to twist it. Now all you gotta do is, first of all, take this clip off. I think you're gonna need a flathead. Get your little flathead. A little bit of issue with the clip, and I just fucking broke it off. But I don't think I'm gonna need that, so I'm good with that. Doesn't matter. Let's take off this box right here. Get your 10mm socket and take off one that's right here on the rail of the car. So there's one there. Take that one right there. And there's another one. I don't know if you could see it. It's down there. Take that one off. Take these two clips off up here. Alright, once you do that, I'll loosen this clamp right here and that one right there. Wiggle this up and down. Once you take that clamp off, take the plastic off, take this off, put it aside. Alright, so you might take a little bit long just taking the bolt down there because there's limited amount of space. Look, you're gonna hear this. That's how much space there is. It doesn't even have to travel that much. So just hold it with one finger and then just twist your ratchet. You're gonna take out the box. Oh wow, look at this. thing is clean. The filter is clean, but the box is dirty. It's full of leaves and stuff. Alright. Take out that. Look how much space you have in there. Jesus. So, let's set it up first. Let's you're gonna get your intake, your little tube, Cobb tube. We're gonna connect these two. One that is the OBD. Well, not the OBD, what am I saying? The sensor. Put this in there. Once you put that in, make sure you put your clamp. The other one also in there. Alright, so these bolts they give you, these right here, are the one that's gonna go to the sensor. These bolts that comes with the intake, they're gonna go on these right here. These. Alright guys, so for this screw right here, you put the two washers, the stopper washer or whatever, so your screw won't go out, and then the flat washer. I'm not gonna tighten it yet. And then I mostly have everything set up. I put this one, I moved it up so it won't cover the Cobb axis, the Cobb emblem. And then this one is kind of loose. Let me tighten it just a little bit. Once I get in there, I won't drop it or anything. Alright, take this off. You're gonna struggle a little bit if you do it like I did. You're gonna slide this in there. Alright, now once you have the intake in there, you're gonna put your filter a little bit easier now. There you go. Alright, so I got everything set up. I haven't tightened anything. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add that screw down there, and then I'm just gonna work my way up. I got that one on. Now what we're gonna do, alright, we got those two tightened. Those two, now we're gonna tighten up the clamp on this side. Put this in there. We're good to go. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. Let's see if we can hear that turbo sound just a little bit. Let me check inside the car if any errors come out. No, there's nothing. Alright, so there's nothing. Alright, so you can hear it just a little bit. Oh yeah guys, make sure to put the plastic back. That's going to help you out a little bit more, just because the air comes in from the front. So yeah, put that back in there. Alright guys, I'm going to do a sound clip for you guys real quick. Watch this. The car does pop a little bit more, so intake was a success. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe, share, anything you guys want. Alright.